Hey guys, this is Luca. Be sure to hit that like button. And I've got a package here. It came a week early, exactly 7 days. I finished recording the video before. It wasn't very good, and I was like, I'll just delete that. I keep burping, so I don't know why. I'll do this. So yeah, let's get straight to the video, shall we? So we have it here, Zachy, and Zach's coming in here. Zachy, can't see you because it's like an unboxing thing. But yeah, we have it here, and I'm just gonna rip it open. Wait, is this the thinking pen? So as you can, it came from China, and it's like last month I ordered it. So. Yeah,
let's crack it open. That's really fun.
By the way, I turned the light on. It's actually improving the lighting quite a lot. So I'm so happy actually. I didn't sound it because I'm really tired. Today has been very, very all over the place today. Because we're literally removing rooms. We're getting a new bed today. I'll show you it later. But
we went to the shop to buy 2 things, and it took us almost 2 hours. The thinking pen.
Exactly. Here is what comes in. Tightly packaged, and there it is right there. You can see it says thank you. It is a thinking pen, luckily. I don't really know what I order sometimes. So anyway, let's just crack this open, and boom, this is what it comes with. Oh my God. So it's the pen, and we have like little things here. So
oh my God,
Zach, you're ruining the video. And take that out as well. I don't know why you need to. Oh right, you could put like the little balls there or something. Yeah, I don't know. Oh no, I actually don't know. I have no idea. But yeah, so here's the actual thing. I believe you can bend it like that.
Could I bend it?
Wait. You can do that for the video. And then I believe you can like twist this, and apparently this was supposed to be a magnet. I do not see any magnetism in this.
Because that's a word.
Shut up, it is a word.
Next we have these magnets.
Wait, Zachy, I'm still playing this.
Yeah, I forgot that's not my video.
Are
we doing 3 videos today?
So it comes with, well, 1 at the moment because I've deleted all the other stuff. 1. Whoa, guys! What's happening?
Wait, I'm sure that's like a magnet. Oh, I thought like they're the magnets. Those 2 ones and the 4 little ones.
Oh God, that is really magnetic, guys. Look at this. I think these are, it said they're strong earth magnets, but I think they're neodymium. Look at that.
Luca knows his magnets.
Okay, so I'm going to put it on the end of here. Oh, I think this is how this works, isn't it? Yep. Wait, and then...
Wait, am I in shot?
And yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button. And for now, this was Luca. Over and out. Oh yeah, by the way guys, this is my new bed. It's a work in progress. And yeah, this room we've spent a very, very long time. Actually, why am I saying my mum and her friend Laura have spent a very long time in this room. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And I know the video's already ended, so I need to speed this up. But yeah, I just need to tighten up the arms right now. They're just outside. And like that, it's all done. You got the Minecraft covers.
I want to sleep on this.
How cool.
It's not even mine and I want to sleep on it.
I forgot to say thank you guys so much for 30 subscribers. This is the next day. I was editing it. And I showed it to you, didn't I?
What?
And then I noticed that I remembered that I had 30 subscribers, so thank you. Bye.